Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss about sequence function in Excel. Sequence function will be available in Office 365 version only. The sequence function will be useful when you are indexing the data in a sequential order. The sequence function we can use in numerics as well as dates as well. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Let's come to the topics. Here we have this data. In this data we have a 275 rows we have. See, if we want to know how to index this data. So we just want to know how many rows we have. So we have manually what we have to do. We have to do type this. This is one way. It is take lot of time, and again if we have to do like this, if you select this both, you just double click on this plus icon, then it will bring you wherever the data is available. So last data is available, it will here. So problem here is if you delete, add any column, again we have to this will not work out. If we add delete also, this will not work out. So what we have to do, normally we will do one formula. If we plus 1 also, again it will take this. If you drag this formula, so until the end. The problem is, again if you add anything, again we have to add this formula, adjust this formula. If you delete this, the formula is also will be deleted. So it is very difficult to maintain this data. So with the help of sequence formula, we can avoid all these things. What we have to do, we have to do sequence bracket start, then rows. How many rows we want? So for example I will give 300 comma columns. How many columns we want? We want only one column. So where the number will start, whether we have to start with 0 or we have to 1. So whatever the number we want we can give. Now we will, in this example we will take it as 1. Then steps. Steps means the increase of the numbers, whether it should be increased in 1, whether it should be increased to 2, whether it is increased to 5. So now we will give only 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that it will come. Close the bracket and press enter. So now until 300 it will come. So now we don't want like this. We want until the data, so wherever it is available till the data it should come. Then what we have to do, instead of giving numbers here, so we can give the formula, counter formula. With the help of counter formula, so wherever the data is available, until that it will take you. Select the range and close the bracket. If you do the like this, it will select this heading also. So what we have to do, we will do -1. So what we have to do, sequence bracket start, instead of giving rows number we given counter. So 1. So total columns we want only 1. So number should be start with 1 and the steps to be increased with 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. 1 should be increased like this. Then press enter. So what happened? So we have to counter. So until the day, so here it came like this. So what we have to do, if we add any column here in between, this formula will also be adjusted. See, earlier 273 is there, now it came to 274. Then again if you delete this formula also, this formula will be adjusted. The same thing is available. Earlier 274, now it's 273. Hope this video be helpful to you. In our next video, we will discuss how to use sequence function with dates. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you very much.